From the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C.
The Law Library of Congress holds a collection of trials in its rare book collection. This particular trial was a sensation, and is often thought of as the trial of the century for the 19th century. Morris Cohen's Bibliography of Early American Law lists several reports of this case. This particular one was published by R. M. DeWitt as one of DeWitt's special reports, and is reported by Felix G. Fontaine. It started when the wife of Representative Daniel Sickles, Teresa Sickles, had an affair with Philip Barton Key. Philip Key was the son of Francis Scott Key, who you may know as the author of the Star-Spangled Banner. It has been said that all of Washington society knew of his wife's affair except for Sickles, till one day he received a mysterious note signed RPG that revealed the affair and how Key contacted Teresa. Sickles confronted Teresa and made her write a handwritten confession that was later published. As Sickles and his friends were discussing what to do about the situation, they spotted Key signaling Teresa from the street with his handkerchief. Sickles confronted Key in the street. Armed with 2 derringers and a revolver, Sickles fired upon Key but only grazed him. Key reached into his own coat for a means of defense, but found only opera glasses, which he threw at Sickles. Key wrestled with Sickles, and Sickles dropped his gun. Freeing himself from Key's grip, Sickles produced another gun, and Key began to stumble backwards, crying, "Don't shoot me, don't murder me." Sickles fired, striking Key in the groin. Key fell, and Sickles drove a point-blank shot into Key's chest. Finally, Sickles put a gun to Key's head and pulled the trigger, but the gun misfired. A group of men arrived on the scene, and Sickles was led away while Key lay dying. It would seem Sickles would almost certainly be convicted of murder, but he was defended by a team of prominent lawyers, including the future Secretary of War Edwin Stanton. The defense successfully argued that Sickles was in a state of temporary insanity. Sickles later served as a Union general at the Battle of Gettysburg, where he was struck by cannon fire, resulting in the amputation of his leg. Sickles' leg is periodically displayed at the National Museum of Health and Medicine.
This has been a presentation of the Library of Congress. Visit us at loc.gov.